How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be working with the new loadout system that I just got from Unreal Engine, and I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's going to do us well. It's going to make that game we've been trying to make with all the other game frameworks and stuff we've worked with, everything we've learned lately. We're going to try to use this loadout system just to show you. It is called LOADOUT SYSTEM. We'll click onto it here and you can go to the LOADOUT system. This is just basic. I'm not associated with these guys. I'm just showing you what's going on. But see, we're going to work with this today. We're going to try to get our loadout. So you can pick your character, you can pick your weapons, you can buy them. We've got XP. We've got icons here that we need to change. All these icons we're going to change. We're going to work on changing the character out. Today I'm just going to show hopefully how this character gets changed so you can see them differently. Let's keep doing it. So let me just go through a few things to get you guys understanding about what's going on. The unnecessary folder is I think necessary. Don't actually get rid of it. The map, okay, let's look at the map. Okay, so the main map, test map, transition map, you're going to want in when you're cooking your game, you know, to go between the main menu and the level and everything. Multiplayer level, this will show you how it kind of works. What you really want to do is click on the main menu, and hey, look at it, it looks just the same as it did before. Let's hit play, and first I'll wait till it turns white. Hit delete all player saves just in case, because there's other, in the long run, this is that's the secret sauce right there. Hit that button first, go to player. It's not going to do anything for you now, but it will later on. You customize weapon. Right now you see your character. You see here now character default mannequin. Right, you go there is where you choose your character. Now what we're going to do by the end of the video is have all these be different characters. So later on in another video we're going to change these icons and change the weapons so that they're the different weapons, not just the plastic ones that are cool. I would love to use them, probably should. And then the data table, you know, a very simple set of data tables. You got your character, right? You saw the different colors he's got, right? Those colors are set over here. We'll just close it all to start at the top. You'll see it just starts with character 3. You got his name. You can change that to what you want. This is his mannequin. Now we're going to change our mesh here when we get it integrated. And this is, do we want to paint him or not? Do we want to use paint? And then he's got material slots. Now you can add material slots here if your character, like one of ours has like 7-8 different materials. So we'll add material slots and you can change your description. You see some characters are locked. The first character is not locked because you start with him. Okay. That's the data table there. This is your lethal. These are your grenades. So he's got smoke and a regular grenade and a knife. Of course, you can add here by hitting duplicate one of these. So you keep all this stuff here. If you just hit add, you're probably going to have to fill all this stuff out. So you'll probably want to duplicate the knife or duplicate the grenade. So you keep all these parts. The parts is parts here. See where you change. We're going to be changing these icons out. And then your weapons data table right here, which is actually where I think I have found where you change the icon. And you'll see at the very top, same thing, primary weapon slot, secondary weapon slot. I'm sure you could add a weapon slot. Good luck in that. I'm not doing any of that kind of stuff. So this is where we're going to change our image to, right? I think we've done it. Not this is a fresh copy, so we haven't done it here. Just showing you now, here's all your various blueprints. So in your blueprint folder, duplicate a handgun, rename it, change it all out. Then you'll have your blueprints in order to change your weapon class in here. And is it equipped? You know, where were we up here at the first weapon? So anyway, that's how you're probably gonna, your best bet is to duplicate a weapon. Change it all up with all your details here. You know, you'll change your icon, and your weapons class and your assault. You know, if you add a class, don't add a class. He's got them all set here. They're fine. You'll probably be fine with that. You don't need any more. But this, you'll be able to change the actual weapon itself. And this is where you add. You don't add it up in here. Unless you've got a sci-fi gun or a, electronic gun, or, maybe there's a trap, something like that. Feel free to knock yourself out. If you want to change different things, let's say you want to change your font, right? You'll see on the button, I just randomly picked a button, any one of them the same, but just go make sure that it says text block and it's in quotes, right? You click like that. That'll bring up over on this side your font box right here. And then you'll click down and you'll have your different fonts. So I got Druid Sandro. He's got 2 fonts here, so there you can change that. I'll show you how to import some fonts in a bit. I think you should grab this 2-in-1 award medal pack off of Unreal Marketplace. I think it was on sale $10.99. It might be $20 now. But you'll notice it has the stars, it has bars, it has squares, triangles, these different things. And you'll notice that in the loadout system, you'll have places where you can actually change and put something different if you'd like, right? To jazz up the basic icons that he's already has in there. You see he's got level up bars in different ways. You can use triangles, you can use circles, you can use skulls, right? I personally am going to go with these right here for 4 bars. It's got a /1, 2, 3, 4. You see they're all kinds of different. Comes in 3. These are numbers, right? So you can use it for your cache. If you want the cool font, I know it says, I think this is a $5 standalone slot machine that you can put in your game. You run up to it, and it goes into first person, and then you pull the handle, and it sets up a money system for you. But you really have got it. It's a standalone thing. I'm not saying put this in your game. The reason I'm showing you this is because you could use this font. There's not a lot of fonts around. It's a cool looking machine, but I got it to. I'm using this font in the loadout system. So I'll show you when I change out the fonts and show you how to do it. I'll be using this font. Unpaid advertisement. Well, here's another paid advertisement. Okay. No, it's not a paid advertisement. I have been using something called the Survival Game Kit V2. It's a survival framework. It's totally different than loadout system. But in the survival framework, it comes with a icon maker system. So we'll be showing you how to make an icon to change it out in the loadout system. So you can take pictures of your icon. You can use any icon maker on the marketplace. I'm just saying this is where I got mine. So if it looks different than anything else, it's because it's not off the marketplace. It's out of his personal stash. Also, another unpaid advertisement. This is free weapons from the Unreal Engine marketplace. These are in the permanent free collection from Dead Ghost Interactive. You'll notice that they come with, he's got the thing. Reason I'm saying this is because these weapons come with different paint textures, which the loadout system also has. So you'll be able to change the textures of your weapons and use some of these to change it. Plus, they also come with, you see there, it's nice. They also come with the gun and the grenade, a knife that you can replace. You see it has all the various skins for all the different weapons. Comes with all the attachments and bullets that you're going to need in the loadout system. All right, you're going to need a scope, you're going to need a sight, you're going to need different things. And so it's free on the marketplace. Okay, there's another set of weapons free on the marketplace from the Unreal Engine collection. You see how I've got 3 folders out here. I suggest putting all the folders inside the loadout framework. These folders are empty actually, so they can be erased, which will. All right, guys, I also suggest you get this out of the box plug-in People's Clean project. It is a $50 project. What it does is it cleans up your files as you're working. It's been a godsend to me. So we are using these Tahitian Mannequin Hero Tiki version. These were a $20 pack of kind of cool characters that are basic, simple. Work with the AI characters. You see, there's not much. They look simple, but I'll tell you this, in-game, they look great. Unpaid advertisements, so there you go. So we have brought in our Tiki guys. Now, first thing I always do when I do this is I go to the map file and I erase the map. Keep our files nice and clean. All right, now, comes with the character blueprint. Mannequins, characters, go to the mesh. It's not where you go. Go to characters. You see these are all these various materials and texture files. Open them up. Make sure you switch them to humanoid. Save him. And make sure in your loadout system that your character, where is he in here? Is he in here? There's this character. Where's his? Where is this? You know we're new to this whole thing here. Focal character. Oh, he's an unnecessary. Become a very necessary folder for me. And there's the mesh. And here is the base UE character. So what we're doing in our tutorial series is we're using the main character as our main character. And we're going to build upon him and not, we're going to build upon this character with other characters. So now you click on your Tiki Auto, click on your character, hit retarget. Now you'll be able to pick, you make sure it says game loadout system unnecessary. Hit retarget. Then what I'd like to do is hit delete. Come down here, click none, and then find the UE4 character mannequin skeleton. Make sure after a while you'll have a bunch of these in there, so you have to make sure you pick the right one. Do that, hit replace reference, say okay. Let it do its thing. Okay, it'll go away right here. How you know it worked? Okay, but they're all still here. So now we've got our character mannequin is now our main character. We're going to go to the data table. There's two weapons, right? They're going to go to the character data table. And right here, we can now hit Tiki. No, we can't. And we choose the character skeleton. He's renamed him Arctic Sky. So now the first guy will be Arctic Sky. Second, we'll go with Cotton Candy. And we'll use Woody Blue again, and we'll figure them out. All right. So now in our data tables, we've changed the character there. Save that. Now go to the map folder, main menu. It looks just the same. Hit play. Now, very important, click delete all player saves. Go ahead and click 1. Multiply. Combat weapon. Now, you see, he's kind of there, right? Different guy. Kind of there. Right? Okay. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a child blueprint. And then each one of these child blueprints will get a different skeletal mesh. The first one was Arctic Candy. Second one, see, I told you they look pretty dope, man. And we're going to assign the data table to each one. Right, Arctic Sky, Cotton Candy, Sacred Bark, Watermelony, Woody Blue, and Woody Blue the second. Go here's where, guys, oh, now see here. What we have to remember is to turn that off. To turn off materials in each one. I guess you could use your materials from your character in here. We're gonna see about that. Okay. So now let's hit play. Remember to save. Hit that first. Maybe it's player 1. And we see there he is. And there are all of our different characters, guys. There you go. One fell swoop. Alright, so we're going to get into getting these weapons set later. Right, this is going to come up in the next video. And we're going to be able to change these icons to the icons that are in our new package that we got. And we're going to change the fonts. So our fonts will look different. Our icons here will look different. Our weapons will have weapon icons in each one of them. These probably not. But when we go to the actual weapon itself, right, we're going to customize the weapon. Right, these weapons right here will change. That'll be a different picture. That'll be a different picture. We'll have a different skeletal mesh. And Bob is your uncle. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you liked the video, and I will see you in the next one.